Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I'm here with my latest Casadei unboxing. These are definitely blades. In case you didn't catch the thumbnail, you should pretty much know exactly what these are and what they're going to look like. I have my Lacrocs out because these were my first blades I ever got. I bought them when they were on sale. I was just excited to get blades. But I have not had the opportunity to use them yet. They are completely unmarred other than just trying them on for you guys. I thought I was going to wind up doing a first use, first impressions in those, but then one of my very kind subscribers who wanted to remain anonymous purchased me a pair in all black with a silver blade, the ever so famous popular shoe. I've seen it on a few shoe tubers before, and I always wanted that, but I consider myself lucky just to be able to get blades at all. And then when these came, I was so giddy, but unfortunately I was sick, so I couldn't quite do an unboxing until now that I feel up to it, unless you want someone who's woozy with the sniffles and whatnot doing your unboxings, which I somehow don't think you do. So, as usual, it comes with the dust bag, the receipts, it comes with your little heel taps, always always the sign of a high quality shoe designer is when they give you some heel taps to go with your shoes. One thing I like about this is that the box actually comes with black paper. If you saw my unboxing with these, it came with white paper. And these were packaged a lot differently. I don't know if it's just because these were full price and the others weren't. But these came with the full 9 yards. These are completely wrapped up in plastic. They have the tissue stuffed in the toe box. They have the rod holding the shoe shape together. So I'm just going to go ahead and get all that stuff out for you, because who really cares about that stuff? Because I really don't. And look at this. It is a kid leather, Napa leather, whatever you want to call it, with the silver heel, which I think is just a dramatic added touch. Like, I do kind of like shoes that give a little bit of flair. Or should I say a little bit of like a naughty flair. So, super excited about these. I also really love that the inner lining of the shoe is in all black, because whenever I wear my shoes, I always try to keep them clean. I'll always wipe them down between uses because I don't want sweat and dirt and build up and whatnot in my shoes. So for me, it just makes it a lot easier to keep everything looking clean. It doesn't, I guess, mar as easily. That would be a good way to put it. It won't look as dirty as fast, because no matter what, buildup is going to collect in your shoes no matter what you do, the more you wear them. So, I love that these are completely all black. The leather is super buttery, but it also seems pretty stable. Say, in comparison to my Manolo Blahnik BB pumps, that leather is, I think, room temperature butter, just glides. And this is like butter out of the freezer that you're getting ready to make like a puff pastry with. That's the best way I could describe it. So I hope some of you watching happen to be bakers or know someone who bakes or knows the reference. So there's the first one, the right foot. Very excited to try these out. I can wear these with anything. I'm interested to see how they wear in comparison to a Socate, because I've heard that they do wear in a similar fashion, even though they clock in at a 115 and they have a hidden 10mm platform inside the actual pump. So it should actually wear more so like a 105 than a 120. But I have heard that the wear is very similar. So I'm interested to see how that will go. And just because I like to show you guys both of the shoes, rather than just having me sit and blab on, I'm going to whip out the other one. And something else I like about the bags is that they punch air holes in the bag, so that way, like, condensation and stuff doesn't build up and mess up your shoes. Because last I checked, leather doesn't really like getting wet. Take out the little rod and the little tissue, and it's just as beautiful as the last. I'm sure they will be gorgeous on the feet. I would like to know what you guys actually prefer. Do you guys prefer the look of a soakate or the look of a blade? For me, I'm kind of leaning towards liking the look of a blade better. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, Louboutin lovers. These quite aren't as popular as a Louboutin, but I think they give me rocker vibes in a way that a Louboutin doesn't. A Louboutin kind of gives me more secretary. These give me more, well, quite literally metal. And my husband describes my style as biker granny, which sounds so lame, but I think it's actually pretty accurate. I love that it's a classic pointed toe, but then you have this dramatic metal shank of a heel. Like, if I needed to, I could literally just take my heel and go. So, I am very, very pleasantly surprised. So, thank you so much, anonymous subscriber who sent these to me. I so appreciate it. I wish I could just call you out by name and tell you how much I thank you so much. Because anyone who does send me shoes, I super appreciate. So, I am very, very excited to try these on for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy me trying them on for you. And I hope you think they look as pretty as I do. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes. Bye!